This is Nosferatu and I'm going to complain about him. All the killers in the game are based off of some Ethan classic Roblox. Whose idea was it to add niche vampire? Well, load off this has been said already, but I wanted to say my opinions. In all the killers kits, there's a backup plan. What are you supposed to do if you miss your lacerate? Turn into Batboy and give them rabies? As of now, Nosferatu has a total of 4 skins. The DVS promised Molestone skins with every new character they release. In my opinion, he's a bit half-baked. And despite my rant, I have level 93 on him. What do you think of him?